my name is Ryan with Her Healthy Style. I just wanted to share a video today of unboxing and my experience so far with the HigherDose red light face mask. And hopefully through this video you figure out if you've been eyeing this, if it's right for you or not. I can tell you that I'm a big fan already, so I can't wait to keep going and see more results. But yeah, you'll see in the video that I love it, and I've definitely noticed not only improvements in my face, but mood and all the good stuff that you can't see. Here is the box. It of course came in another package box, but yes, it will deliver to you safe and sound. This is the pamphlet, and here is the star of it all. It really is packaged nice. There's a carrying bag for travel or just home use. I actually do just keep it upright on like a table in my bedroom. There's the pamphlet their instruction manual that I will read from a little bit. Here are the goggles. Goggles are optional as red light therapy is safe for eyes. In fact, it's a great way to protect and heal our eyes from damage and strain, and that's from their manual. But if you have photosensitivity, you definitely can use the goggles. This is how we plug it in. So it is a hands-free device, but you do have to charge the battery. And I will say it only took me a few hours to charge it when I first got it. These are all the different adapters for all the different countries, depending on where you live. So it took me only a few hours to first charge it, but then after it takes me about 6 to 8 hours, I would say, just like a day to charge it when it dies per se. So I get about 5 uses, I think, 5 20-minute uses before I plug it in, around there. I don't really count, I just know. And here it is. It's actually really, I have never used another mask, so I can't compare, but it's made of soft silicone that's flexible and fits facial structures. My husband and I both use it and fits great. This is the adapter. You plug it in and then you plug it into the wall. And here I am plugging it in for, like I said, 2 to 3 hours that first time, but then after, it must have a little charge when it comes. After I use it, I don't know, give or take 5 times, then I charge it again. At this point, I've had it 3 months, or almost 4 months, but at this picture, I've had it about 1 month. There wasn't a big difference between 1 month, or like right away in that first month, as far as I could like physically see in pictures. My mood felt better, like you just feel like rejuvenated. I was putting it on at night, but then I started using it in the morning, first thing when I woke up, and I really like that. But anytime I can get it in is great. But yeah, I'm 40. I overall, and there's no makeup in either of these. Overall, I have fairly even complexion. I eat a healthy diet, and that's a major reflection of what our skin looks like. But I still could use some evening out. My under eye area is always more problematic for me. And maybe I didn't sleep as well this night as this night, because for some reason I've noticed a big difference in just overall glowier, lighter, more even toned skin. So hopefully you see that as well. And my under eyes look a little bit better. But yeah, I know I've read from others and saw other reviews prior to this, prior to getting it, that sometimes it takes them like 6 months to be like, oh yeah, my face is noticeably different. And they're looking at pictures from 6 months ago. So it's just ever so subtle. But yes, I'm definitely noticing it. So I'm excited to see what it will be in like 3 more months. From the manual, the face mask combines red and near-infrared red light. It's harnessed at the perfect measurement to rejuvenate the skin, and these 2 wavelengths work below the skin's surface to stimulate the natural rejuvenation process. It creates a complexion that is visibly glowing and noticeably healthier looking. It helps reduce redness, it boosts mood, it promotes healing and just skin renewal, it rejuvenates cells, it ignites our glow. After just 1 session, you'll notice a difference in your mood, or at least I did. But like I said, the more you go, you hopefully will see a difference in your skin. I know I have, and I'm only 3 to 4 months in. I did like a sensitivity test right away, and I just did it for 10 minutes that first time, I don't have sensitive skin, but I just tried it for a small amount of time. And yeah, now I pretty much always do 20 minutes just because I feel good. Like, just your mood, especially in the winter, it's winter here in Chicago, and it's darker days. And yeah, just having that red light on my face in the morning, I like it. But like I said, I do it any time of day. And right away, I was only doing it like 3 times a week for 20 minutes. And now I feel like I'm doing it closer to 5 times a week. And I'm also noticing like glowier skin. You'll notice that. I wish you could borrow mine and try it out just to see if it's for you. But I feel like this is one of my easier, tools that I have that did not take me long to want to use. Wasn't like I would buy something and never use it. I actually really enjoy it, and it's a wellness and skincare tool in one. So I am a big fan. If you are interested, I have a discount code, Her Healthy Style 15. I will put that below with the link. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to ask below, and I'd be happy to answer if I know the answer. I was trying to fit a lot into this video, so I'm sorry if I overlooked at anything that was important. But yes, I hope this finds you well. And if you want to see me more often, I'm on Instagram at Her Healthy Style, and I'm also on my website. I have lots on there as well, herhealthystyle.com. I hope you check it out. Thanks for following.